Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Denica Eka Putri Febrianti and my NPM 20HH203006. I'm here. I will explain about my proposal in the title Analysis of Student Grammatical Error in Writing and Exposition. Take at 12 seconds to grade Senior High School 1 Bukit Kemuning academic year 2024 and 2025. Chapter 1, Introduction. Background of the problem. This is grammar has important role in education life, which grammar is a set of rules which is formatted correctly of accordance with the pattern. It is done to avoid misunderstanding and misleading. According to Cahill in Angrenny 2020, grammar of language is the set of rules that govern its structure. Grammar determines how words are arranged to form meaningful units. The native speaker or mother language speaker have gotten talk about grammar since they were a kid speaker. Grammar has certain difficulties with grammar in English for its difference that language we talk usually. And next, this research has similarities with previous research about grammatical error in writing English text. The content conducted by Kamaria Wahyuni and Melia from STK IP Bina Bangsal Getsempena in 2018 and has been published in the Getsempena English Education Journal. Volt 701 in May 2020 with research title in an analysis of student grammatical error in writing English text in the second grade student of SMK SMTI Banda Aceh. In research focus, number 2 research focus based on the background of the problem above. The researcher focused the research into two. Number 1, analysis student grammatical error in writing and exposition text, and number 2, analyzing the dominant error in writing and exposition text. The third, formulation of the problem based off the background of the problem above. The research formulated research question as follow: what are the types of grammatical error that students make in writing and exposition text at 12 seconds to grade in Senior High School number 1 Bukit Kemuning academic year 2023 or 2024. What is dominant error that students make in writing and exposition text and 12 seconds to grade in SMA number 1 Bukit Kemuning academic year 2023 and 2024. The fourth objective subject of research is based on the formulation of the problem above. The researchers take two objectives of this research. Number 1, to describe the types of student grammatical error in writing and exposition text at 12 seconds to grade in SMA Negeri 1 Bukit Kemuning academic year 2023 and 2024. Number 2, to describe the dominant error that students make in writing and exposition text and 12 seconds to grade in SMA number 1 Bukit Kemuning academic year 2023 and 2024. Number 5, use of the research. Based on the objective of the research, the researcher hopes the end result will be beneficial of as follow. Number 1, for English teacher, this research can be used as references in improved student with writing in good grammar and minimal minimize students' grammatical error in the future. And number 2, for students, this research can be used to engage students' reflection to improve writing exposition text ability with good organization grammatical in the future. Number 3, for the next researcher, this research can be used as references for the next research to analyze the factor which cause the students make grammatical error in writing and exposition text in future. Nah, chapter 2, literature review, and ada beberapa bagian, yaitu yang pertama ada the concept of writing, lalu the definition of writing, kemudian steps in writing, kemudian problem in writing. Number 2, the concept of exposition text, ada 3 jenis, yaitu definition of exposition text, yang kedua generic structure of exposition text, and number 3 language future in exposition text. Yang selanjutnya ada error analysis, error versus mistake, yang terbagi dengan source of error. Kemudian ada grammatical error dan types of grammatical error. Kemudian ada 2 jenis lagi, salvage, strategic taxonomy as kind of grammatical error, and relate research review. Kemudian chapter 3, research metodologinya itu adalah this research use descriptive qualitative research method, design and Linson in Crewell said that qualitative is a situation interest that located the research in the world. Qualitative research include the study of interpretive and material practices, the practices rework the word. They turn the education world into a sequence of representation include felt note, interview, conversation, photograph, documentation, and memos to the self. At this level, qualitative research include an interpret naturally advanced to the world which make expression of or understand phonema in the process of the meaning people convey to them. According to statement above, this research uses qualitative research because the symbol will be take log the use of purposive sampling, and to collect the data, the research use document technique. Number 3, 2 place of research, it will be conducted in SMA number 1 Bukit Kemuning, which is position at Batu Raja Street, Bukit Kemuning, Research North Lampung, Lampung Province, pos kode 34556. Furthermore, this research will observation 12 grades, especially 12 sekian 2 grade in SMA number 1 Bukit Kemuning academic year 2023 and 2024, which the found students of this class have good ability in English listen, but they often made error in writing activity. Data source, according to Linson and Guba, the most obvious category is the search of the document, with document may be look after into various secondary documents. According to Sugiono, the research used secondary source to collect the information, which is according to Sugiono. Secondary sources are sources that not directly provide data to statistics collectors. For example, it is collected through person on or talk document. Kemudian ada research instrument, yaitu from the explain above, this research use research and document of student task as instrument to analyze student grammatical errors in writing and exposition text at 12 sekian 2 grade academic year 2023 and 2024 in SMA number 1 Bukit Kemuning by make sure analysis has done based off surface as strategic taxonomy, which consists with omissions, addition, misformation, and misordering. Ada data collection technique, yaitu this research use documentation as data collecting technique according to Sugiono 2013. Data series technique are the most strategic step in research. With if there is no understanding the technique quiz of data collection, the similarly Sugiono stating that the document are the data of occasion which have handed document has in the form of writing, photograph, or person monumental sheets. And planning of testing the validity and reliability of the data. In the study, research used regulation to validate the data. According to Sutriani and Octaviani 2019, triangulation it is cross validation that assesses the procedure. The function of this method is to enrich the data collected and assist researchers in making conclusions so that research has more accurate result. Data analysis is according to Stan in Sugiono 2013. Data analysis is crucial to the qualitative research technique. It is recordings, observe and understand for interrelationship and ID for your data that hypothesis and assertion may be advanced the evaluate. For more, Sugiono 2013 said there are 3 steps technique in analysis data qualitative research, which are number 1 data reduction, number 2 data display, and 3 conclusion drawing atau verification. I think enough. I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.